Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Brittany, and in this video I am going to be showing you guys how I completed this 95% drugstore full makeup. Okay, so first things first, we're going to go ahead and apply a primer, and I am using the primer by Smashbox, followed by a little color correcting using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. You're going to go ahead and blend that out. Blend it, blend it, blend it. I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth. The only thing I don't like about this foundation is that it does not have a pump, so you're wasting a ton of product. So I guess just use a little and see, as you can see that I'm going ahead and adding more. So use a little first and then just keep adding more if you need to. Better safe than sorry. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put a primer on my eyelid. I am using just the pencil by NYX in white and going ahead and blending that out just so the beginning of my eyeshadow can sort of pop. I am only going to use one eyeshadow out of the Morphe palette, and it's just the one in the right hand corner. It's super orange, which I like very much. And then you're just going to pack it on with a packing brush.
When you wake up, you know what you need to do. Just close your eyes. Someone's been waiting for you. Just close your eyes. Just close your eyes.
Buttercup powder. This is definitely my ride or die powder. I really push it in under my eyes just to make sure it really soaks up in and really sets really well. And then you just brush it off with any brush that you choose. I really don't like to bake. I just put it on with the Real Technique sponge and then just dust it away. And then I'm taking the CoverGirl Queen Collection in Ebony Bronze. Just going ahead and setting all of the areas that I contoured. Spray that spray to go ahead and set your makeup to make sure it all soaks up into your skin. And then I'm just taking that same orange eyeshadow.
Yeah, in the front row, kicking back old school tracks like damn. Can't get enough of this more like I don't even know where I am. Ooh, baby, get hyped to the beat. Let's go, cause this is our jam. This is our
And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply some blush, and this is just an NYX blush, and it's just like a pink color. I don't remember the name at the moment. And then I'm using the L'Oreal Blackest Black mascara, and just apply a few coats on the top eyelashes as well as the bottom eyelash. I am taking the Becca Cosmetics highlighter in Champagne Pop, going ahead and highlighting all of the areas that I usually highlight. This is like, remember I said that this video is a 95% drugstore makeup tutorial, because this highlighter is obviously not drugstore.
can't get enough of this more like I don't even know where I am. Ooh, baby, get hyped to the beat. Let's go, cause this is our jam. This is our jam. Oh, yeah. In the front row, kicking back old school.
And then I'm gonna take this bomb ass lip gloss that sort of reminds me of, like, it gives me like 90s vibe just because it's like a darker brownish purple. It looks really, really good. And I feel like it goes really good with this look.
It's over you, my lordy. Rest to make way for my newfound shorty. Checking the mic for ligaments while I reckon. Same time came out the womb while recording. All I ever did was make jokes out of suckers. Told them about the life that I live, mad ruckus. But if you never seen a grown man rock jewelry like me, jealous if it coming over you, then you bite me. All these other people, they be coolin' just like me. Talking about the homies and unusually right beat. Yeah, my crew is off the roof, and I told her not to brag about the crew, even though it's new. Even though it's new. Yeah, in the front row, kicking back old school tracks like damn. Can't get enough of this more like I don't even know where I am. Ooh, baby, get hyped to the beat. Let's go, cause this is our jam. This is our jam.